A company posted huge profits and is now coming up with a cutting-edge product. There is a very, very strong support. You know for sure that the stock prices are going to jump up high. You've already taken a huge stake in it, and you're holding it for a very long time now. But the stock price doesn't move an inch. You're now frustrated. That is exactly how you feel, isn't it? You have been in the stock market for a very long time now, and you have this company in your portfolio that is doing well. It announced huge profits and is now in the process of coming up with a cutting-edge product. A product that will revolutionize the industry. It'll turn the world around. The pre-release preview has been maddening. Views, hits, website traffic, video likes, all have just overflown the bucket. What do? You increase your stake substantially. You're absolutely certain that the announcement of the product will move up the share price by a couple of points. And now the time comes. The release. And it's been a successful release. Nothing happens. Your price doesn't even move an inch. You wait for some more time. It doesn't seem to move at all. You are disgusted now. You decide to come out of this investment right away. And just after you decide to sell them off, you sell them off, move on. A couple of days later, the price moves up. You're angry on yourself for selling too soon. You also curse the market for not going as per your plan. What was your mistake? You did everything right, wasn't it? Your plan was right. You had a foolproof plan. Your study was right. The product launch was a success. The product did hit the market correctly. It got the acceptance it was expecting it to be. It's just that the market did not cooperate with you and with your investments. Situations like these happens all the time in the market. And if you're one of them and you have faced this situation in the market, then stick around. We'll discuss why this happens and how you can come out of this. So like this video and subscribe this channel right away so this video can reach a lot of people. See, when you spend some time in the market and you make some profits or loss or whatever it is, when you spend some time, you build a relationship with the market. And this relationship that you have with the market, you start to view this relationship as a very personal relationship. You start taking this relationship personally. You start viewing the market as a person. And when this person doesn't seem to behave the way you want it to behave, it doesn't seem to cooperate with your trading plans, it doesn't seem to understand and go according to your wish and your style, you start hating this person. You start developing a hostile relationship with this person. You start developing a hostile relationship with the market. Now, what is the most common feeling that you have when things don't go according to your plan, according to your wish? Frustration, isn't it? You feel frustrated when nothing goes your way. And when frustration steps in, you start to view the cause of the frustration as if it's coming after you, as if it's coming after you to prove you wrong. And you do the same thing with other people whom you come across in your life. You feel those people are coming after you too. You ingrain significance in a relationship that is not there at all. Now, if this is how you feel, it is very important that you neutralize this first. But how do you do it? Acknowledge the problem. You have to first believe that you take things personally when actually they aren't. In the stock market context, the market comprises of a group of people. It's not one single individual who is coming against you. It's a group of people. And these group of people, they don't know you. They don't know who you are, where you stay, what is your potential. Nobody knows you. It's an open market. And you feel that this group of people is coming after you. No, that's wrong. Because they don't know you. Why would they come after you? Whatever they do, they don't do it personally. They don't do it to prove you wrong. There is no personal enmity between you and the market. The market comprises of a group of people. Those group of people, they don't know you. Why would they personally have a grudge against you? So, anticipate the adverse effects in the market. Anticipate that the setbacks will be there in the market. When you have this anticipation with you, you are prepared. You will not be caught off guard. Consider all the possibilities and all the unthinkable events that might happen with you, and be prepared for it. You will be less bothered. And that's why it says, do not put everything that you have into the stock market all at once. Allocate small amounts into investments and allow yourself to judge it. Study. Allow yourself, give yourself the time. Give that exposure. Give that exposure with small amounts. Allow yourself to make the mistakes. Don't put pressure on yourself that you'll have to be 100% success all the time. Don't even bother. This isn't the last opportunity on the earth. So now you know how to neutralize the frustrations when they creep in. But why allow frustrations to come in? How do you avoid them from coming in? Accepting that the journey will be full of challenges and it's not going to be a smooth ride. Change your viewpoints towards potentially frustrated events. When you know that these events are going to be frustrating, you'll be less bothered, and hence frustration will not seep in. If you accept them as neutral and not as a disaster. You'll not be frustrated. The psychological defense. See, it's difficult to cope with frustrations when we are exhausted and tired. So take enough rest. Have plenty of water, sleep. Take enough rest. That helps calm down your nerve and helps fight the frustrations to seep in. The big picture. See the big picture. See, once you see the big picture, once you see the final destination, the voyage, the final destination of your journey, you'll not be bothered about the small undulations on your path. The road might be full of potholes, might be full of crap altogether. But your focus is the hill station that you're headed to. That's your drive, that's your passion. That'll drive you there. So once you see the big picture, the final corpus amount that you're trying to amass for yourself, for your future, for your security, it doesn't matter what happens on the way. Absolutely. Recall positive events or positive traits. See, when you're frustrated, when you're down, recall positive moments. Recall positive traits that has happened in the past. Recall how you have overcome those situations to come out as a winner. Those will boost your confidence. Those will give you the energy to move on. Shift your mindset to the positive events that have happened in the market. Now, although these external circumstances can interfere with your plan, you actually have the freedom to decide whether you will allow it to impact your mood or you will take control of it and shoo them off. Chal hut. That's it. You are a human being. The market is not. The market is an object. Look at that objectively and not as a human being. The market's expectation will not match your expectations all the time. It's okay. It's okay. Take your setbacks aside. Forget them. Yeah, do learn from them, but forget them. If you dwell on them, if you allow those events to be on your head, it'll be heavy on you and it'll bring in frustrations. Expect them to come your way. Expect challenges to come your way. Once you know that they're going to come, you'll be less bothered and hence less frustrated. This is what will help you be calm, composed in the market without carrying on the frustrations. Hope this helps. See you again in the next video. Till then, SC signing off. Goodbye.